Who the fuck's pounding my door this late? Boy, I'm about to show you my Mortal Kombat skills in about 2 seconds, dog. That's it, open up! Shit. Go.
No, someone's at the door.
Come in.
They keep on knocking.
Mom, come in.